Importance of living within your means. Living within your means will enable you to have peace of mind. You won't have financial stress and anxiety. A wise man once said, people often spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want, to impress people they don't like. Let's take this example. Sarah earns $2,500 or $250,000 cash money. But instead of Sarah using that money to buy designer bags or to buy a good dress, she saves that money and invests it wisely. At the end of the year, Sarah has a lot of enough money to use on whatever she needs. And at the end, she will have peace of mind. The second factor is avoiding debt trap. Warren Buffett once said, if you buy things you don't need, soon you will sell things you need. Let's also take this example. Let's say Jack. Jack lives his life on credit or uses credit to finance his lifestyle. If Jack borrows $5,000 or $500,000 cash money, at the end, Jack will have to pay $9,000, and that extra money is from the interest he was accruing. That itself is a negative aspect on finance, living beyond your means. If Jack could live within his means, he couldn't take that amount of money and he couldn't accrue that amount of interest. Foster progress towards goals. If you live within your means, you will foster or you will go on the direction towards your goal. If you save some money and you live within your means, it means you are saving on extra cost, on unnecessary expenses. And that money you have saved, that money you have accumulated, you could use on attaining your goals. Let's say Akinyi was earning 100,000 in a month, and Akinyi was saving 30,000 in every month. Rather than Akinyi buying an iPhone, Akinyi saves that particular money for like 2 years. At the end of 2 years, Akinyi has a capital of, say, even 500,000. She has enough capital to start a business which at the end will generate a lot of money if it is a viable business. The fourth aspect is financial freedom and independence. Now, if you live within your means, you will have financial freedom and independence. You will not have banks knocking at your door so that you pay them their dues. You will not have these fintech companies calling your family members, calling your friends so that you pay their debts. See, a lot of people, they don't have this freedom because Shylock is on their neck, Fuliza is on their neck. They don't have the freedom. Are you one of those people, or you have your complete financial freedom? Number 5, mindful living. Mindful living is appreciating what you have. See, appreciation is a good thing in life. Appreciating what you have. A wise man once said, wealth is not in great possession, but wealth is in having limited needs. Living within your means is not being cheap. It's about being strategic. It gives you control, freedom, and peace. 3 things money can't buy, but helps you to gain when used wisely. This is our intake today. Kindly subscribe to our channel, share it with others, and comment below, are you living within your means or living beyond your means?